Hello everyone, welcome back to the Delft Stack Tech Tutorials. In today's video, I will show you how to make a Likert scale in Google Forms step by step. If you're creating a survey to collect opinions, like how much people agree or disagree with something, this is the best tool to use. We will keep it super simple. By the end, you will have your own working Likert scale ready. So let's get started. First, open your browser and go to forms.google.com. This page will appear. If you are not signed in, log in using your Google account. Once you are on the main screen, click the blank form with the plus icon. A new form page will open. At the top, you will see untitled form, form description, and an untitled question. Choose the multiple choice grid option because we are creating a Likert scale. In untitled form, create a title for your survey. For example, write customer feedback survey 2025. You can add a short description here. For example, please share your honest review. To help us improve our services. Now write your main question. For example, how satisfied are you with our customer? Full service. In the rows section, write statements, and in the columns section, write options. For example, agree, disagree, and strongly agree. In the rows section, add items like speed of response. Add a second row for clarity of information. Add a third row for the staff. In the columns section, write options such as very satisfied, satisfied, neutral, dissatisfied, and very dissatisfied. This completes the survey setup. You can publish it now. Click Publish. Copy the form URL. Share it via WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, or any social media you prefer. Anyone can respond. You can also test the form yourself. Go back to the form preview. Fill it out to see how it works. For example, choose one option per row. Speed of response, I am neutral. Clarity of information, I am very satisfied.
Staff, I am satisfied.
You can clear the form and redo it again. That is all for today. You have just learned how to make a Likert scale in Google Forms step by step. Now you can easily collect feedback for your projects, research, or business. If this video helped you out, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon for more tutorials. Thank you for watching. See you next time.